So let's take a look at this, guys. Oh man, perfect all around. Look at that color. So we can take a little slice. Oh, smoke ring, baby. Look at that, guys. Smoke ring effect. You cannot tell me. Look at those juices right there. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing something very simple. Look at these Cowboy pork chops. Oh man, they're not the tomahawk kind, guys, but take a look at that. We got 2 fingers inch wise thickness. These gonna look good on a plate, guys. Oh man, we're gonna do something so simple that we're just gonna use some simple barbecue rubs just from Malcolm Reed's rub, the rub itself. And I just saw this on the market and I had to try it, and I did on some chicken, and man, this is some good stuff right here. I mean, Weber's honey garlic rub. Get you some, guys. And the secret to get these pork chops nice and moist throughout the entire cook is we're gonna smoke them. We're not gonna grill them, we're just gonna smoke them all the way through till we get to the 145 temperature factor. And this is my secret hack to keep these bad boys juicy and moist throughout the entire cook. So when you cut them to them, guys, it's gonna be phenomenal. It's not gonna be dry, and it's gonna be awesome. So y'all stay tuned, because we're gonna cook these pork chops Cowboy style on the Pitboss Pro Series 850. So come on, let's go. Let's do it right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first thing first, we gotta turn our special baby on, our Pitboss Pro Series 850, and as always, we're gonna open the lid and we're gonna crank the temperatures all the way to the S setting, which is a smoke setting, and we're gonna let that come up to temp, guys. As you can see, we got a nice little rolling smoke going on, guys. So we're gonna close our lid, and we're just gonna crank our temperatures all the way up to 250 degrees. Again, we're just gonna smoke these bad boys low and slow, and we're gonna let it come up to a temperature of 145. So it's been 20 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, and we've been running at 250 degrees. It's been running steadily, as you can see right there. And let's take a look at our beautiful Cowboy style pork chops. Look at that sweating going on, guys. Woo, man, they're looking sexy. Wow. 2 finger inch thick, guys. Oh man, these are going to be phenomenal. I did forget to mention, guys, that we are going to spritz it throughout the entire cook, and that's just 50% apple cider vinegar and 50% apple juice. Just going to give it a little bit of sweet flavor just to caramelize these bad boys right here. So it's time to put these bad boys, speaking of that, into here and let them get that smoke flavor. Yes, sir. So it's been exactly 1 hour and we're still running at 250 degrees, which is a great thing. And then we just got to take a look at our beautiful Cowboy 2 finger thick pork chops. Take a look at that. Oh man, let me give you the shadow look because you can see it better that way. Take a look at that, guys. Oh my god, that looks amazing. So it's time to check to see what the internal temperature's at, so we can take a good look and a gander where we need to be. Oh, about 123, that's looking good. 117 in the back, and 120. And we're looking at 124, 125. Alright, guys, I'm gonna spritz this. Forgive the guy that's mowing the lawn next to me, which is my neighbor. So I'm gonna spritz these real quick, and then we're gonna flip them and rotate them so they can cook evenly. Oh man, look at that. It's been exactly half an hour, guys, so we're running about 249, 250. Sometimes it drops down to about 247. And let's take a look at our chops. Oh yeah, take a look at that, guys. Oh man, they're looking amazing. So let's take a gander where we at temperature wise. Where should be pretty close, but if not, we'll see now. We're looking at 134, 135. And let's take a look at the other big boy. About 126. This is about 133. And this boy about 136, about 137. So guys, we're gonna let this rock and roll for another 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so, and we're gonna check back to see where the tempers are. I might rotate them one more time just to get them even cooking, but they're looking great. So I'm gonna spritz them, excuse me, not juice them, spritz them one more time, so we can get a little bit of more smoke on them. And also this helps the cooking process by a little bit of steam, so to speak. Alright. Oh man, they're looking amazing, guys. So I'm gonna close the lid, let it rock and roll for another 15-20 minutes. Alright guys, so we are maintaining the temp. As you can see, we're just about 3 degrees above 250, which is good. And it's been exactly 20 minutes. Oh man, look at these beauties right here. Oh yeah, look at that brown mahogany color. Oh my god, that's what I'm talking about right there, guys. This is what I'm talking about. So I'm almost positive they are done. So we're gonna take a little peek. Let's see where we at, guys. Oh yeah, 145. That's about 144, almost 145. I'm good with that. Let's take a look at this one. Almost 144. That's going to carry over, so I'm happy with that. And let's take a look at this one. Oh yeah, so we're almost at 145 too, guys. So I'm going to pull these sexy pork chops off, the cowboy style pork chops off, guys. I'm going to let it rest for a good 10-15 minutes. We're going to cover it loosely with a little bit of aluminum foil on top, just so they can just get the juices back flowing into the muscular areas, and then we're going to cut into it and see what they look like. Oh man, I can't wait, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been exactly 15 minutes, and oh man, it's feel like an hour or two just waiting for these chops to get the juices flowing back to where they need to be. But before I pull them out, guys, I just want to go step by step of what we did so far. We already took the pork chops and I just cleaned them up in the sink just to get rid of any debris such as bone or any dirt or anything like that that you don't want to have in your system, because that's not going to be no bueno whatsoever going down to your system. So once we did that, guys, we basically hit it with a little bit of love, which is that D-rub from Malcolm's Reed D-rub on How to Barbecue Right, and we gave it a little bit of extra love with the Weber's honey garlic rub. I mean, this is amazing stuff, guys. I didn't even know they had this. I just seen it, checked it out, put it on with some chicken, and man, this is phenomenal. And my secret hack to keep the pork chops juicy, moist throughout the entire cook is this Creole's butter. Go get all these items at Wally World, and we cook it for roughly 2 hours. In that 2 hour period, oops, I didn't mean to swear to you guys, but this apple cider vinegar, apple juice 50-50 mix, we spritz it throughout the entire cook just to give it that perfect mahogany brown color that we're looking for. And the temperatures that we saw at the end of this video clip, until now, it's 145. We let it rest for 15 minutes, and here we are. So this is the best part. Get this bad boy right here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh man, the juices from the Creole butter is oozing out. I mean, oh, the color is amazing. So nothing further needs to be said. Let's cut into this real quick to see what she looks like. So let's take a look at this, guys. Oh man, perfect all around. Look at that color. So we could take a little slice. Oh, Smoke ring, baby. Look at that, guys. Smoke ring effect. You cannot tell me. Look at those juices right there. Oh man, let's cut it into the middle. If you don't believe me, look at that smoke ring effect. Look at those juices. This is what I'm talking about. That Creole butter, guys. This is the secret hack that you need in your life for some juicy, moist pork chops. Not just pork chops, but chicken or whatever. Some turkey, some pork loins. Oh man, this is it. Look at that, guys. Wow. As you can see, we gotta get a nice little slice here, and we definitely gotta take a bite. Oh man, look at that smoke ring, guys. Oh my god, I gotta put it up, guys. One more time. Look at that smoke ring. That's what I'm talking about. That's why we did it low and slow, guys. Cheers, everybody. Let's take a gander and take a taste, because this is the best part of the video. This is what I've been waiting for the last 2 hours plus 15 minutes of letting the juices flow back into the meat. Oh man, cheers, guys. Once again. Wow. I'm literally smiling. Woo! I gotta have another bite. Y'all excuse me. Just a tiny little bite, guys. Oh man, that is really good. You guys have to try this simple recipe. I'm all about trying to do simplicity type of barbecues now. There's no need to do extravagant with a bunch of different type of rubs, different type of sauces. Let's keep it as simple as possible, guys, because the simplicity way is the best way to go. And on top of that, look at the effect that we get from just doing simple stuff. A little bit of a hack, a little bit of flavor love, and another flavor of love right here, guys. Oh man, a little bit of spritzing. You can't go wrong with that. 2-hour cook. And these are the phenomenal results of what we get on these Cowboy pork chops. Like I said, 2 finger thick. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Listen, tell me in the comments down below how you make your Cowboy pork chops, and let me know how you cook them. So guys, it's a pleasure doing this video for you once again. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you know, if you like this video, press that like button, guys, and share with all your friends and family, and let them know that I'm back smoking jazz barbecue. And I salute everybody that saw this video. Until the next time, guys.